Charger 17 3.0. Did I say it? Yo, gang, it's your boy Charger 17 3.0. You already know, once I turn on this camera, we about to do something. I'm not in the forest or nothing, but I'm pretty sure those was cats. Better not be that raccoon. But we about to get this video started with this cold start. That sound don't get boring, y'all. That sound don't get boring. You already heard. With that said, we got her started. Ready to rock and roll. Yeah, I get these acorns. Darn. They having a field day. These squirrels having a field day. They packing their meat. They packing their, and that's staying in there, y'all. That's staying in there. I ain't taking that out. They're packing their little giblets all on my car and shit. All that. Acorns and stuff. They packing all their stuff on it. What we about to do is head to a show real quick. To a show. Get up in here. Get this car started. Get us ready. And get us going. Yeah. Get us going, y'all. What y'all say, huh? What you say, huh? What you say? Get it going? Yeah. Like I said, I'll turn back on the camera when I'm there. Maybe we see some cool stuff today. Who knows what this video is going to be. Brought to you by your boy Charger 17 3.0. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy all the videos I've been uploading for this whole year. I got some. You just stay tuned to whatever I put out, y'all. Stay tuned, y'all, for real. Stay tuned. For real. And all right, like I said, I'm gonna turn this camera back on when I'm there. Yeah. What do you say? I got that Mr. Organic on. 101 John, y'all. And yeah, that's what I got on. Rocking that right now. Y'all see mine and stuff. My fitted. Rocking one of they little type cool hats they got here. But with that said, I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I'm there. You already know. Holla! Yeah, gang, turn the camera back on. Do a quick vlog, and then the rest is all history from this show. We got some nice stuff right here where I'm looking at right here, huh? American Muscle right here, and then a bunch of classics out here. If you can see, y'all. You can see a whole bunch. A lot of stuff. So much. I ain't gonna show you all the cars that, most of them are the same, and then some of them is different ones that I ain't never saw. Because I missed like 2 shows, so I definitely, it's packed out here. I'm gonna show you.
is tonight and obviously next Friday. So we're here for tonight and next Friday. Make sure you play that 50-50 next week. It's your last chance to help the kids out. All right, for $177, here we go, the 50-50.
I'm back, we're back. What's up, Brody? Yeah. Not my type of coast. What the hell? Your boy Charge 17 3.0 is out. I'm about to leave. Hopefully I see myself on someone's page. Cause I'm about to do it Mopar no car style. Look at that, right behind me while I'm leaving though. What? Yeah, we about to be out. As I say, that means me in the car, we about to be out, y'all. With that said, hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will. Appreciate everybody, all the newcomers and the ones that's there. It's 2021, we gotta keep going up. So I thought you can see them behind me. Look at this one right here going past me. Right there it goes. Woo. Now it's my turn. Like this parking lot is like empty. I'm about to flip the camera around and show you guys. Like literally show you. It's empty. But look at what we got right here. And what we got right here. Yes, as you see, we're leaving right now. We're leaving. Hear them roasting their babies. Yeah. With that said, I'm out. Till the next vlog. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot of cool cars here that was here tonight. Besides mine and a couple of my friends. It's a lot of nice. Look at all them cars though. Look at all them cars, y'all. A lot of them. Still more. I'm gonna hop myself in line, heat my girl up. Can't heat the tires up. They're cold right now in this grass. I mean, people still coming. People still been pulling in here, coming, walking out there. Yeah, people still coming. They see themselves on the videos though, so they already know what they do. They about to catch themselves later on in the video. Like 20, 30 minutes later in the video, I have the video going. Look at this guy. He's on the other side. On the other side driving. See that? Left side. Left side. You know that what that is. Right? You know the type of time he's on. He's on that type of time. Look at him. I'm about to hop myself out here. I think I'm the last of the breed of the new modern muscle cars that's leaving. Besides the few Corvettes back there in the back over there, but they're not in line though. But for what I got right now, I'm the last of the breed that's about to leave right now. About to leave right now. So, with that said, you know I gotta put on a good one for them. Gotta put on a good one. Gotta put on. So that's what I do. I show up, show out. Start 17 3.0. We out. We out. I'm about to end the video right now. About to end the video. But that's I'm ending the video. You guys looking at that right there. Look at this one right here. Woo. Look at that down there.